Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a colorful eye makeup but also make the face look very subtle and soft. So I'm starting by hydrating my model's skin. She has some acne breakouts and some scars, so I'm going to be working a little bit on that. I'm hydrating her face nicely. I'm applying a moisturizer that's actually going to really help her skin, and then I'm going over with a matte primer on the areas that need a little bit more work. Then I'm using an orange corrector on the under eyes and around the lips, a green corrector to take away the redness from the skin, and then I'm just going to dab it in place so that it doesn't move when I apply the foundation. I've chosen a shade that is going to suit her skin really well once it's blended, even though right now it seems like it might be a little light, but you'll see how well it's going to blend into her skin and look very natural overall. It is a bridal makeup, so we are keeping it on the full coverage side, and now I'm just adding a little bit of concealer and highlight. I'm shading the face, especially on the jawline, to add more structure to her face. With the cream blush, I'm going in really nicely. I did add a lot of it, but it's still giving a very soft look. And I set everything in place, left some loose powder because we're going to be adding color. We don't want any of it falling on the base and spoiling it. Of course, if you're doing it later, then it's fine. I'm applying a lilac shade as a transition shade, and I'm going to be using this as my base color. Then I'm going in with the darker purple and filling the outer corners in, and then I'm going to start by creating a crease. But before doing that, I added the lilac color and like a brighter purple, and then I'm just creating the crease, half a crease, not a full crease. Then I'm going to start by filling it in. So I wondered which colors to use, and I thought purple and yellow are good in contrast, and why not blend green into it to give a little touch of something different. Then I went in with the loose pigment, which really enhanced the look, and I was really loving it more after I added the pigment. And I knew exactly how I wanted to create the liner and kajal, so I just followed that by giving a nice wing, and then applied the lashes, did the eyebrows, and just rubbed off the excess powder from the face. For the lips, I wanted to do something that wasn't too nude but also something that was not going to overpower the eyes. So I used a pink shade which was on the duller side but not too bright, not too nude. And this was the eventual look. I was actually very pleased with it. I thought it came out very beautifully. It wasn't looking like something that wouldn't go well for a bridal look. I think the eyes looked stunning. They looked new, fresh, something different. The lips went very well with the eyes, and overall with the garment, with the jewelry, everything was so well blended. So let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and share the video, and definitely subscribe to our channel because we post a lot of different looks every single time, and there is so much more to learn from every single look. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I can't wait to show and share more looks with you and more tips and tricks on how you can diversify your work and create different things every single time for different faces. So I hope to see you soon, and you're going to be seeing another very different look.